Well, hi guys, this is a video of picking the WOLFDOG padlock, and it's just over 40mm width, so what is it, maybe 50mm. It seems quite wide with a large sort of shackle there. Picking this, doesn't seem to be a spring inside that actually pops the shackle open, whether it's due to age, because this was actually from my mother-in-law's house that's been knocking about for absolutely yonks, donkey's years, whichever way we want to put it. So let's open this lock using, again, Southward slimline. Small keyway, hence the reason for the slimline. And this wrench now and again slips. And if you can see from that, the shackle literally drops once you turn it upside down. So I don't know if there was actually a spring in there initially. Take the pick out. You can see from that, so it literally locks back into place. So regarding any lock picking bits and pieces you need, please visit dbclocksmith.co.uk and join the forum. Also, you'll get a lot of help and advice from everybody on there. So thanks for watching that little video, guys. Happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.